Nearly 40 years ago, Tehnodent began its journey in the dental world. We are a family-owned company built on quality, trust, and innovation. From the very beginning, our goal was simple: to create products at fair prices. We started with dental handpiece repairs, but soon we began manufacturing rotor packages and high-speed dental handpieces. Step by step, we became a leader in the dental industry. Today, we provide reliable parts for dental repair shops, including rotor packages for high-speed handpieces, caps, headgears, special tools for repair. Every product is made with care, precise, durable, and affordable. But we don't just sell products, we share our knowledge. We train repair shops, even those with little or no experience, helping them deliver high-quality service, because dentists deserve the best tools. We also continue to improve our technology. One of our key innovations is dynamic rotor balancing, a technique that reduces vibration, making dental work smoother and quieter. So how do we keep prices low and quality high? Simple. We use high-precision CNC machines and test every turbine under real-world conditions before it leaves our factory. Looking ahead, we will keep moving forward, enhancing our products and remaining a trusted name in the dental world. Our belief is simple: nothing is impossible. We can always do better, and that's exactly what we do every single day. Tehnodent. Our quality is your success.